Weak erections are often blamed on aging, but the real culprit is often underlying health issues that affect blood flow and nerve function. These can quietly lead to erectile dysfunction over time. The good news? There are proven ways to address this issue and reclaim your confidence. Number 1. Control blood sugar levels. By the age of 50, nearly 50% of men with diabetes face weak erections, and this number soars to 95% by age 70. High blood sugar silently damages blood vessels and nerves, restricting blood flow and making intimacy difficult. This isn't just about physical health, it's about preserving confidence, relationships, and quality of life. Stabilizing blood sugar is a powerful way to reverse this trend. Focus on balanced meals with 1 to 2 cups of non-starchy vegetables, half to 1 cup of whole grains, and 3 ounces of lean protein like fish or chicken. Combine this with 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like brisk walking, 5 days a week to boost circulation and insulin sensitivity. These simple but impactful steps can restore vitality and improve your overall well-being. Don't let diabetes rob you of your confidence. Take action to reclaim your health and regain control of your life. Number 2. Engage in regular exercise. Struggling with weak erections can feel isolating, but regular exercise offers a way to reclaim control and confidence, even when diabetes or insulin resistance is in the picture. High blood sugar reduces circulation and damages nerves, but movement is your ally in reversing this damage. Exercises like brisk walking or cycling for 30 minutes, 5 days a week, laying the foundation for stronger erections. Specialized exercises like male Kegels strengthen pelvic floor muscles, improving blood retention in the penis during an erection. Practice by contracting these muscles for 5 seconds at a time, repeating 10 to 15 times daily. Simple breathing techniques, like inhaling through your nose to keep sinuses open, enhance oxygenation and circulation, further supporting vascular health. Every step, stretch, or breath you take is a step closer to regaining intimacy and vitality. Exercise isn't just physical, it's a commitment to your confidence, health, and future. Number 3. Incorporate nitric oxide-rich foods. Incorporating nitric oxide-rich foods into your diet is a powerful way to combat weak erections, especially when diabetes or insulin resistance is a factor. Nitric oxide, NO, acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation, essential for achieving and maintaining a strong erection. High blood sugar levels can impair nitric oxide production, but the right foods can help restore this critical function. Include 1 cup of leafy greens like spinach or arugula in your daily meals, as they're loaded with nitrates that boost nitric oxide levels. Beets are another excellent choice. Consume half cup of beet juice or roasted beets several times a week for an added boost. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons and 1 ounce of nuts like walnuts also support nitric oxide production. Every bite is a step toward reclaiming vitality, proving that even with diabetes, you can take control of your health and life. Number 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is a powerful way to combat weak erections. Excess body fat interferes with hormone balance, lowering testosterone and restricting blood flow, key components of sexual health. Achieving a healthy weight not only restores balance, but also boosts confidence and energy. Start with a realistic goal. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. Begin by reducing portion sizes and avoiding processed foods. Focus on meals rich in non-starchy vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains to support steady energy and metabolism. Keep a food journal to track eating habits and identify areas for improvement. Stay consistent by scheduling workouts at the same time each day. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep nightly, as rest is essential for weight regulation and hormonal balance. Every small step, whether it's choosing water over soda, taking the stairs, or sticking to a routine, brings you closer to improved erections, enhanced health, and renewed confidence. Number 5. Manage stress effectively. Stress can quietly sabotage your efforts to overcome weak erections. Elevated stress levels trigger the release of cortisol, which narrows blood vessels, disrupts hormone balance, and worsens blood sugar control, all of which directly impact erectile function. Managing stress effectively is not just about relaxation. It's about reclaiming your confidence and control. Incorporate activities that actively reduce cortisol and promote relaxation. Practice deep breathing exercises for just 10 minutes a day, focusing on slow, controlled breaths to lower your heart rate and enhance circulation. Engage in yoga or stretching sessions to reduce tension and improve blood flow. Journaling your thoughts for 5 to 10 minutes daily can help you identify and process stress triggers. Physical activities like brisk walking or swimming also combat stress while boosting overall vascular health. Number 6. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Limiting alcohol and avoiding smoking are vital steps in overcoming weak erections. Excessive alcohol weakens blood vessels and reduces testosterone levels, both of which are crucial for a healthy erection. Smoking, on the other hand, damages blood vessels over time, restricting blood flow and making it harder to achieve and maintain intimacy. Together, these habits silently erode your vascular and hormonal health. Replacing these habits with healthier routines can make a world of difference. Swap nightly drinks with herbal teas like chamomile, which supports relaxation, or water infused with lemon to stay hydrated. Engage in social activities that don't center around alcohol, such as sports or hobby groups. For smoking cessation, try guided breathing exercises, nicotine alternatives, or counseling to break the cycle. Every effort to reduce these habits is a step toward better blood flow, stronger erections, and improved self-confidence. Number 7. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is a powerful, yet often overlooked way to combat weak erections, especially for men dealing with diabetes or insulin resistance. Sleep is when your body restores hormone levels, including testosterone, which is essential for a healthy sex drive and strong erections. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts these processes, increases stress hormones like cortisol, and weakens your blood vessels, making intimacy a challenge. Enhance your sleep quality by creating a consistent bedtime routine. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, and make your bedroom a sanctuary. Dim the lights, avoid screens for at least an hour before bed, and keep the room cool and quiet. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing or listening to calming music can help you unwind. Prioritize rest as an essential part of your health. By improving your sleep, you allow your body to recover, hormones to balance, and energy to renew, laying the foundation for stronger erections and a healthier, more confident you. Overcoming weak erections linked to diabetes or insulin resistance is possible with the right steps. From managing blood sugar to reducing stress and prioritizing sleep, these changes empower you to reclaim your confidence, health, and vitality. Take action today. You should also watch this video on other ways to beat diabetes or insulin resistance. And please subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.